Here is our lifter, and at the bottom of the lifter it has a roller that rolls on the camshaft. Now as you see, this one, see how it has a little line? This one's starting to go bad, but it still spins okay, and when you shake it, it's still pretty solid. But let me show you the bad one, what it looks like and what it sounds like. So this is the other one for the cylinder we could actually feel, and if you look, there is a lot of pitting going on. And so that's what's making our noise as well, as chewing up the camshaft itself. And listen to the noise it makes when I shake this one. So obviously these have to be replaced, and